Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be sharing with you all some of the products I have picked out from Beebeecraft for free, and in return I have to do 3 videos. One will be the unboxing of what I have picked out here, and then the other 2 will be tutorials with products. So if you are interested in participating into this YouTube program from Beebeecraft, here are some of the things that you need to know. So the first thing is that you must have over 100 subscribers on YouTube. All you have to do is sign up and create an account on their website, which I will make sure to link in the description box below. And with the sign up, you can be approved to receive a free $40 amount on products from Beebeecraft. And I also wanted to mention all of the products I have mentioned and shown in this video will also be in the description box below if you are interested in them. And then last but not least, I have a coupon code for you all. If you make a purchase, you can save 10% off your whole order. So use Panda10. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So they had lots to choose from, but I went with dies. So here is what I got. I have already taken it out of the package here. So let me put that right there. So they do give you a slip of, the products. And here are the stuff. So it was nicely wrapped with this cardboard so nothing gets bent or anything like that. I'm so excited. So I got this set here. It's the flower dies. Sorry if you guys hear water running in the back. It snowed here, so when it gets cold, the pipes tends to freeze up, so we have to let the water keep running. So if you hear the water running, that's what it is. But anyways, here are the sets here, the flower set. I cannot wait to play with these. Oh my gosh, there's so many different designs. I really cannot wait to play with these. They're gonna be so fun. Okay. And then on to the next one. So here's this one. Oh, the bag's kind of ripped. But I thought that this would be so cute to use as a base card. Or even you can use it as an embellishment or something. But that's how that one looks like. You get, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13 pieces there. And then you get the vase and then the greeneries and some circle dies there for that one. And then this one, I think it cuts out individual rainbow pieces, it looks like. Can't wait to play with that. So there's that. And then the next one, let me go ahead and open this. I think this is the Easter set, it looks like. I don't have any Easter die set, so I thought this would be cute. This is so cute. So there's 2 different size frame, and then you've got the cute little bunny and its hand, and I think that's the body part right there of his neck, and then carrot, and then it says Happy Easter, and then there's an egg, small egg, and then the big egg there. So cute. And then the next one I got was this fry box die, and I cannot wait to play with this. I think this is the back side, and then it comes with these frame and tag pieces. There's more like frames, which you could probably turn into tags as well. Here's another tag. This is the front piece of the fry box. I can't wait to use that. It looks super fun to make. All right, and then I think this one is the tags. They are bigger than I expect it to be. Yeah, they're bigger. Okay, so here is the dies. I thought it would be nice to have a die set for tags. So this is a great set. You get like a small one and then a large one. And then it comes with like these punch out holes, so you can add that onto there. And then even this layering part, which goes, I think this one goes on there like that for a more decorative tag. But here is this one here. They got the hole punch to decorate the holes, and then this piece for this, and then a banner piece. And then these are, I think, like slits for like pockets, it looks like. Yeah, I think that's what it is. These are so cute and they look fun to play with. Then this one goes with this top here, and then here's a curved pocket, and then here's a different kind of pocket with the slit at the top. This one says hello, and then more different styles of decorative holes for the hole punch area. And then here is a angled pocket here, and then one of this top piece for decoration. Here's a different piece and some more tag, and then I think that's a tab. So that's that one. Then this one, oh, it's so tiny and cute. Okay, I thought it was going to be bigger than this, but that's okay. I think this will be great for, let me just get this out. I think this will be great for putting like little treats in, like candies or embellishments and stuff like that. It turns into like a party favor bag piece, so that's gonna be fun. I think this is, I could be wrong, but I think that's the lip part. I'm not sure, I'm gonna have to double check. But it's so cute, comes with a tag and a banner. I think these are like the different designs that you can use to cut up that part for the bag. Ooh, it comes with some cute, simple bows. And then this is the bottom part of the bag box. So, yeah. And then last but not least, this set here, which is this cute Halloween bow set. Looks like this. Let me go ahead and open it. So here is this one. So cute. You get all the little bits and pieces to put in the center of the bow. And then we've got 3 different backings for the bows. So that's super cute. And then we also have 3 different sizes and shaped bows here, and then some more extra pieces for the center of the bows. So yeah, that is my unboxing from Beebeecraft. Make sure to check them out. If you do have a YouTube and you want to participate in this, check out all the links, or if you're interested in any of these, I will make sure to link them all down below. And I think that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching. I will see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.